In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys incense sticks, specifically 3 of them, that help you manifest and attract love in your home, to clear the energies that may be stagnant in love, whether this be romantic love, partnership, or it could be with you and your children, with you and your family, you and your roommates, whoever you're living with. So this is basically 3 incense sticks that you could burn in your house to invite, to protect, to heal love energy. So with that being said, let's get started. So I have my notes here. I'm going to be kind of going off of this so I remember to tell you everything that I need to tell you. Okay, so first of all, incense sticks, right? I have been using this for years. I grew up with these. Like in the Indian stores, they are so affordable. They're so cheap. Even on Amazon, I'm going to link it down below. The ones that I get, they're from Amazon or the Indian store. And they're very, very affordable. You can get like a bulk of almost 100 sticks for like $5. It's very nice. But incense releases scent into the air, according to whatever incense flavor or scent you choose, right? Now, the scent has the power to manifest according to what the scent manifests. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 incense scents that you could use to attract and manifest love energy in your house, to protect it, to heal it, all like I said in the beginning, right? And this is also to create an atmosphere of love in your home. Now, incense sticks are believed to cleanse the air and to purify the air. And then after it cleanses and purifies the air, according to what the scent is, it adds that scent and the vibration of that into the air back again after it's all cleansed. That makes sense. And we're going to get into the 3. I have them all with me. And let's get started. The first scent I want to talk to you guys about is rose, of course, right? Roses represent unconditional love. And the scent of roses and rose petals, red roses specifically, they vibrate at a very, very high frequency. And I've heard and read that it vibrates on a higher frequency than us humans vibrate at. So that is the perfect, most simple way to raise the vibration and frequency in your home. And not only that, but roses correspond with unconditional love. So you're raising the vibration of love, unconditional love, romance, heart chakra, right? And it soothes the heart, it soothes the emotions, just the scent of it. It also raises the vibration, like we said, and it helps love flow easier in our materialistic physical world. So it pulls down love from where it needs to, like an ethereal, I feel like, from the universe, ethereal, or from wherever it needs to, pulls love into your materialistic world. So that's why I love using rose incense. And it helps you to receive and give love easier and better, just flow better. Roses correspond with Venus energy, which is also love and luxury and beauty and romance and lust and all of that stuff. And it also corresponds with the energy of water. And water helps to just flow and release and just kind of just like flow, right? Easy. And it heals arguments and quarrels inside the home. It kind of just softens the energy inside the home when it comes to love and relationships, and invites a lot of harmony. So here I have the incense sticks that I love, this one is from Hem. It's called Red Rose Incense Sticks, and I think you get like 20 sticks in here. But on Amazon, you can get like a pack of, I think, 6. So 20 times 6, what is that? 120? Is it? I'm not good with math, but you get a lot. And I'll link it all down below. And then the next one that I really, really love, this is from One Soul Collection, and you get 20 sticks and they're rose flavored, and they come in this really pretty box. So I still have a few left here, but I will need to replenish mine because I use incense every single day, and I use multiple sticks. Like I have one in my altar, then I have one in my living room, then I have one in the kitchen, then I have one the bedroom, the bathroom, like wherever I feel like that day needs a little bit of cleansing or just a little bit of scent boost, right? So that's what I do. Now the next one that we're going to talk about is dragon's blood. This is one of my all-time favorite things to work with when it comes to love. Now, I don't have the sticks here. My sticks ran out, but I do have the cones. So you can also use these cones, right? You can put this cone in like a little incense burner, the cone little burners, or you could put it in like a little stainless steel plate or an abalone shell. It would be really good. Or if you have like one of those long, I don't have it with me right now, but like the long incense stick holders, you could just put this like on the tip or somewhere on there, because those are like incense safe. So make sure that when you burn the cones, it's safe. But I have here these cones. Oh, it smells like perfume. It literally smells like you went to a temple in India. That's what it smells like. Very pure. Instantly just lifts you up. I love this. And this one that I have here is from the brand Reverse Karma. I'll link everything down below if I can find it. It's incense cones and dragon blood. And they're hand dipped. So these are very, very natural. There are 20 cones that come in here. And then I have this one also. Now this one here, I don't know if you guys can see. I got this from Walmart. So this was like $1, $2, and it came with 40 incense cones. And these are not as like natural, I don't think, as like these ones. Or like if you do get the stick version, because the Walmart ones are more fragranced, I think. And like the sticks are more hand dipped. So it's a little bit more like natural. But nonetheless, it's still dragon's blood. And it's affordable and it's cheap and it's still smells amazing. It smells so good. Now, dragon's blood is a resin. And this is something that protects love. Dragon's blood protects love in the home. And it also banishes negativity when it comes to love, right? And when it comes to partners and lovers, it really helps to push out the things in that bond, in that relationship, in that connection that just no longer is needed or necessary or no longer serves the relationship. Dragon's blood helps to like push it out. And it corresponds with the fire element. That's why it like pushes it out, because fire doesn't play. Fire is like, it'll burn, right? So this is also something that adds a lot of warmth into the home, a lot of warmth into the relationships. Just cozy, warm, like intimate, close feeling between people wherever you burn it. It removes what no longer serves you when it comes to love, and it adds a sweetness into the relationship. No matter how it's like, if I could describe to you how this smells, it smells like a men's cologne. It smells like a sweet men's cologne. Like if you go into the like Macy's or like a high-end department store and then you go into the men's section, it's like the I don't want to say fruity, but very sweet, but very masculine smell. That's how I would describe this. Floral, but masculine floral. So it smells really, really good and perfumey. And it really helps to just protect the love. And attracting love, you also want to protect it. You know, a lot of us manifest love like this. A lot of us takes a while to manifest love. You know, a lot of us, it takes our healing of our traumas and our past. Then we manifest love. However you manifested love, you want to protect it. And you want to cleanse it often. And you want to like remove the negativity and the things that don't serve your love life. You want to remove it. And dragon's blood incense is a really, really good way to do that. It removes the negativity and then it brings in the sweetness in love. Now the third and last incense that I want to talk about is musk. I think musk has to be my favorite. I love the scent of musk. I don't think it's legal to own musk in the United States. I'm not sure. Uh, but musk incense is like the closest thing I could get to musk, right? It smells so good. It smells like kind of like patchouli. It smells like cloves, patchouli, perfume mixed together. Oh, I'm trying to describe the scent. I can't describe it. Okay, I think I can describe it. It smells like a very, very expensive men's cologne. Very, very expensive men's cologne. Yeah, I think that's how I would describe how it smells. And also, if you ever go to a temple, like yeah, like a perfumey musk, very high vibe scent. Now, musk is something that it comes from a deer, right? But you can't really get like actual musk, but you can get like the scent. It's believed that the scent enhances sexual energy and it acts as an aphrodisiac, the smell of it. And that's why here, let me give you a little tip. A lot of men will use perfume with musk or just plain musk if they can get their hands on it, just a little bit, dab it, and they become so charming and attractive and like heads turn their way. Musk does that. There's something about musk. And if you work with Shiva, Lord Shiva, one of his favorite things is musk. And so I always try to give him musk incense. And this also is believed to bring the energies of sensuality and lust, sexiness, just like a soft, sexy vibe, and romance. So musk is something that I really never used for like love or manifesting love or healing love, protecting love in my home until I started to experience it, until I started to offer it to my Shiva, until I started to work with it. And I realized that it is very, very strong when it comes to love, specifically also self-love. Let's not forget that. Self-love, this is one of the strongest things because it also activates your sacral chakra, which is making you become creative, making you become stronger, self-confident, a stronger willpower. And in love, you need that. You need to create boundaries and willpower and all of that stuff. And musk is also something that helps you lower down your filters or traumas or triggers or whatever it is so that you can move forward with love. The scent helps you to like accept sexual love, if that makes sense. So these are the 3 incense that are really, really good for attracting love in your home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which one was your favorite. Which one are you going to use? I will link everything down below, whatever I can find the links for. And also the last thing I want to say before I leave this video is to burn the incense either in your bedroom, on your altar, or in front of photos of you and your loved ones. So, I mean, you could burn it anywhere. I burn it like in my kitchen. I burn it anywhere. But those are the places, like if you're really struggling or you really, really want to attract love, bedroom would be the first one that I would recommend. And your altar, and then photos. Like those are the 3 that I would recommend if you're really wanting to attract the love. But if you just doing this, like just to like honor, love energy or something like that, you could do it anywhere in your home, anywhere you feel like it needs it. Okay? I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys very, very soon.